Why water rower? Rowing works 84% of your muscle mass. More than any other exercise, rowing recruits all major muscle groups. From the tips of the fingers to the balls of the feet, all the muscles between these 2 points contribute to the rowing stroke. By maximizing the muscle mass contributing to the exercise, the water rower provides the most benefit in the least amount of time. Rowing can burn more than 1,000 calories per hour, and compared to other aerobic exercise, it doesn't feel like you're working as hard. By spreading work over a wide range of muscles, rowing consumes calories in more muscles, allowing more calories to be burned within the user's limits of fatigue. Other exercises recruit fewer muscles and require far higher intensities of exercise to burn the same number of calories. Rowing moves your joints through a full range of motion and does so with minimal impact and no body weight on the joints, making it one of the best exercises for joint pain sufferers. Rowing is suitable for everyone, young or old, male or female,